Okay, friends. So, welcome back. Today is 24th June expiry. It was a very kind of a range bound expiry, right? जैसे आपको बोला था ये range है upper end between 35,000 and 34,500. If we remain within this range, स्पाइक्स जो रहेंगे उतने आपको नहीं मिलेंगे एंड जो भी स्पाइक्स आपको रहेंगे टेम्पररी स्पाइक्स रहेंगे एंड दे विल कूल डाउन फास्टर, राइट? इफ़ यू वॉच आर yesterday video, we have clearly mentioned over there. And still the market is not yet to break out above or below this zone. अर्ली कैंडल से जब ब्रेकआउट होगा तो आपको यहाँ पे देन एक डायरेक्शन यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट, राइट? Same, this is kind of now the open positions which have remained. Like we have made some for July expiry also. Monthly positions I have taken. Weekly I haven't taken till now, right? And still kind of what we are able to see over here is that the premiums on the call side, it gave a spike and then it cooled down, right? If you look at the premiums over here also, right? Let us take an example of premiums of 35,000, right? And as we mentioned, look at this, a temporary spike 28 to 70 and then cool down. So unless or until it would have gone above this range, right? If you had a hedge position, credit spread, if you have made it, then it would easily would have been able to manage it in the market, right? And as soon as we broke out around this zone, but still this is a range, so this early candle importance is not much, right? That we for that it made around 1 p.m. We need a breakout above this or below this, right? Coming to Nifty also same thing, nothing much it has done. It has just remained. This is the range for the Nifty. Let us 15,600 around you can take, right? The range is little bit bigger, and over here either you can take this 15,900, which is a all-time high for Nifty. So this 300 point range is there for Nifty, and inside which there will be a volatility up and down, up and down, up and down movement. VIX also you can see one day it is falling by 4%, next day it is rising by 2%. So it's just kind of hovering around 15 area, right? So this is the region for both. And currently today also there was a event, Reliance AGM. You can see the volatility in this, but it was very easily managed by TCS, right? So that you need to see. Index didn't go anywhere, so anyone would have shorted index कि उनको लगा कि भाई रिलायंस नीचे जा रहा है, निफ्टी नीचे जाएगा. This is how market kind of a can surprise you if you don't follow the logic over here, right? So even though Reliance fell, this is how index management works. TCS went up, right? And it kind of protected the index very well. Tata Steel also you can see in a way it is a little bit sideways up. ICICI Bank is there protecting the index. HDFC Bank is also there protecting both Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? And if you kind of a Kotak Bank is just flat. So this is how in a way Maruti is up, Asian Paints is 2% up. So the down move caused by Reliance has been easily absorbed majorly by TCS, Tata Steel, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and also you can see Asian Paints, right? That is why Nifty you're not seeing anything over here. No impact, just a single spike, but it is around still at the same level near to day high. No impact of Reliance fall, right? That is why it is important to understand the market properly rather than taking rash decisions, right? And those who are interested, kind of uh, this is also what students have executed. They're executing with us, right? Whatever the systems we are doing, and they are also earning quite well, because if you take logical decisions in the market, it will reward you well. Now coming to this, for those who are interested in our price action program, right? It is starting from 30th June, and options program is starting from 5th of July, right? So all those, if you are really want to understand market in a systematic way, and rather than focusing on shortcuts, then this is the program that you do not want to miss. And that is what, in a way, what why we have helped many people turn profitable in the markets, because here we don't teach in a way shortcuts that okay, this is a strategy, go and work. No, this is not how market works. You need to first understand how actually the market moves, what is the order flow concept of the market. And yes, you don't require any sophisticated tools और सॉफ्टवेयर्स, बहुत इजीली सिंपल टेक्निक से आप लॉजिकल टेक्निक्स प्राइस एक्शन यूज़ करके मार्केट को डिकोड कर सकते हैं, राइट. एंड प्राइस एक्शन एज वी से इट इज़ नॉट सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेंड लाइन, ये सब सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया पे आपको मिलता है. बट प्राइस एक्शन समझने के लिए यू हैव टू गो इनसाइड इन डेप्थ टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द मार्केट इज ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट विद यू, राइट. और जब वो आपको चीज़ें समझ में आती है, देन trading, investing, whatever be it, becomes relatively much easier, right? So rest. Today we saw a very good index management day for those, right, who want, and कि generally एक stock के move से आप correlate करते हो, right? So this range for both the indices, watch carefully. Maximum also, major stocks are also trading in a bigger range, right? 3 4 5% range in some stocks you can see. And similarly also now Reliance in a way has come to the bottom part of this range. You can see this is a very very crucial zone. If we get an early closing below this, it can just fall to 20 80 and below levels, right? So this zone is very important. You can see a little bit of volatility, a little bit of spikes, so be cautious. Let the market give confirmation before taking any trading decisions. Okay, so that's it, I guess, for today. And very sluggish expiry, not nothing so much exciting, not so much of big spikes, but kind of a easily manageable. Okay, hope you learned something from it, and thank you for your time. Thank you for watching the video. We'll keep on bringing such some of the concepts, right, over as in the future sessions. And in the meantime, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, a like, so if you find the video useful. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Goodbye.